A little bit more spirited with it being cooler. And I'm hoping in a couple more visits they'll be calm enough that I can have them in here without their halters or head collars on, depending on where you're watching this from. I am such a snorter. And my big guy here, Solo, has had bow beats on for about a month and a half now. And stuff. I wasn't too sure how he would take to them, and that, but because of his overreach, and that, which you can sometimes see, what is it better and stuff, because we have had him pull off his shoes a couple times. But I think what also helps is with these ones. It's at the top where it rests on the fetlock joint. It does have a bit of fluff, as I call it, on them. I'm hoping to shortly do a full video of me giving Sol a big groom. Getting ready for a roll. I do keep a very close eye on. I don't mind them rolling or doing shakes like this afterwards. But I want to make sure that's what they're doing. Do you get some up your nose on that roll? Hey, my good handsome hands. Good boy.